One of the common complaints that we see at our office are children that are snoring. It's very common for children to snore. We see that during the winter season. Lots of parents have complaints about their kids snoring. And for a lot of children, it's normal. In some cases, children that are having a hard time sleeping, or maybe they're waking up frequently at night, or during the day they're really irritable and cranky, even if they had a good night's sleep. Maybe their snoring is more than that, and that's a great patient for us to see. We can do a thorough exam of the upper airway, we can look in the throat and consider different treatment options. It doesn't mean that we're going to take out the tonsils and adenoids in all children, but it's a very helpful evaluation to start the treatment process.